Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you. This one has some Christmas stuff in it, so if you want to see what I picked up, then just keep on watching. And there's also going to be some stuff from another little dollar store. I've actually been there a couple of times, but I don't really go in it super often. It's pretty far away from where I live, but we were around that neighborhood and we stopped in, and I'm so glad we did, and I can't wait to go back. I got quite a few little goodies for my son for his stocking this year, and I cannot wait for him to see what we got. So if you want to see what I picked up, then just keep on watching. Alright, so since we're all familiar with Dollar Tree, I figured I would start there. So they had their little Christmas trees. If you guys have never checked out these Christmas trees, you have got to check them out. They're only $1. They come in white and they also come in green. Personally, I like the green ones just because they do sell the green like filler garland, and these are kind of sparse. You can see they're not the fullest trees in the world, but if you take the filler garland, you can wrap it around the base and they look that much fuller. I have not seen white garland in there yet, so I don't know if they carry it. If they do, I will definitely be picking it up. I know I want to give one to my son to put in his room, and then I've got a couple more. I think I bought 3 in total, and I may go back and pick up some more. Who knows? You never know with me. I love that store. You guys know how it is. Alright, so they also had out some of their little Christmas villages. So I picked up the little post office one. I think this is so sweet. And they're just like a really, it's not a heavy plastic. It's really nice feeling to me. Like, I don't feel like they're going to be easy to break or anything, which when you've got kids, that's amazing. And then this one is just a little church, which I think is cute. And you can see all the windows in these places, which is super awesome because you can put the little LED candles, like the little fake candles, you can put those inside these and they light up. So I think that is really cool, and for $1, I was not about to pass those up. Me and my husband was actually talking about starting a Christmas village, and we've been buying a piece like every other week up until Christmas. We're going to continue to do that, and then every year we'll start doing it as well. Our little boy is really big into that stuff, so we're really excited to have that going on. And then I also picked up some of the little white flocked Christmas trees to go along with the village. Can you guys just picture these trees like sitting next to the church? I think it's going to be so cute. But they had these also in white. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the white ones just because I really like how real these look. I don't know, there's just something about white Christmas trees. I think they're really pretty. They pop really well with the red and green and like all the colors of Christmas. But I don't really like how fake they look sometimes. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about them. What's your all's favorite? Do you like the white trees, or do you like the green trees or the flock trees? What's your favorite? Then also to go along, I got these little bench with lights, and then there's a little half wall. So there's like 2 little half walls and then a little tree, which I think is so cute. And then of course I got some of the little people. So this one has got a mailbox, and then a man and a woman, and then another little lady right down there. And this one has got a woman and a child, and then a lady and her dog, and then Santa Claus. So those are really, really cute, and I can't wait to decorate with these. And that's actually it for the Dollar Tree this time. Don't worry, you guys know there's going to be plenty more to come, but I try not to go crazy because it's not even Halloween yet. Like, today is October 29th. It's not even Halloween yet, and I'm already getting Christmas stuff. I love to be prepared, and when it comes to Dollar Tree, sometimes they sell out of stuff super quick, so you have to get it like while it's there or else it's just gone. But then, like I said, we went to the other dollar store, and not everything is $1. It's kind of like one of those stores where everything is $1 unless it's priced otherwise. So I found these 2 little Lego figurines. This one has got the Grinch and a snowman in it. Well, actually, it's not considered the Grinch. On here, it's called the Grouch. On here it says Grouch. It's got 2 little figures in it. They were only $1.47, and my youngin' loves Legos, so I had to pick those up. And then this one has Santa and Mrs. Santa. So again, really cute. And then this is just a little ornament that has another little Santa guy in it. I'll turn it around so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And you actually put it together yourself, which I thought was cool. This one was only $2.47. And again, he loves Legos. They actually had 2 more designs that I debated on getting. I'm still not sure if I'm going to or not. I definitely want to go back to that store because you guys would not believe the Christmas stuff that they had. It was unreal. And then the last thing that I picked him up is one of these little punching bag guys. These, I believe, at Walmart are around $6 or $7, and this one was only $2.57. So I was like, why not? He's gonna love it. He loves like Hulk and Iron Man, and he's all the time like in fight mode and ninja mode. He's all about ninja. Like, that is his thing this year. I want to find him some ninja stuff for Christmas for sure, because he goes around telling everybody that he is a self-trained ninja. And of course, I don't want to crush his spirits. I think he's a self-trained ninja. If that's what he wants to be, then that's what he is. I think he's so funny. But that is everything that I picked up this time, and I just wanted to share it with you guys so you could go jump on it before it's gone at the Dollar Tree. This dollar store, there's going to be plenty more to come from it too, because like they had all kinds of stuff just like this that was priced so affordable. It was unreal, but I tried not to go too crazy that day. But that is everything. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and always be you. Bye, guys.